Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix blockchain development problems with ConsenSys detailed guide step by step clearly. Identify the specific blockchain development problem you are facing. Research the problem thoroughly to understand its context and implications. Visit the ConsenSys website to explore the tools and resources available for blockchain development. Explore the Ethereum development ecosystem, which is a focus area for ConsenSys. Familiarize yourself with tools such as Truffle, Infura, and MetaMask offered by ConsenSys. Determine if your issue is related to smart contract development, testing, or deployment. If working on smart contracts, use the Truffle framework to streamline development and testing. Consult the official Truffle documentation for guidance on setting up your project. Write your smart contract code in Solidity, ensuring you follow best practices for security. Run unit tests on your smart contracts using Truffle's built-in testing framework. If deployment issues arise, leverage Infura to connect your application to the Ethereum network without hosting your own node. Check for error messages during deployment and refer to the Infura documentation for troubleshooting tips. If your problem involves user interaction, integrate MetaMask to facilitate wallet interactions with your dApp. Set up MetaMask in your browser and ensure it is properly configured. Conduct thorough testing of user interactions to ensure a seamless experience. Engage with the ConsenSys developer community through forums or Discord for additional support. Post your specific questions or issues in relevant development. Utilize ConsenSys Academy for educational resources and courses to enhance your understanding of blockchain development. Iterate on your project by incorporating feedback and lessons learned during testing and community interactions. Continue to monitor updates from ConsenSys to stay informed about new tools and best practices. Finalize your project by conducting a security audit, ensuring all potential vulnerabilities are addressed. Deploy your application confidently, knowing you've used ConsenSys resources to overcome development challenges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.